Hello friends, welcome to part 2 Rendezvous with Ray. French Canadian priest Gaston Roberts. Already I told you in previous class, French Canadian priest means priest is a church in father. As you all know that French Canadian means born in Canada in a French speaking family. Okay, let us continue. Roberts, Gaston Roberts took 9 years after reaching Bengal and joining St. Xavier School to muster up the confidence to meet Ray in person. Although I wanted to meet him right away, I did not want to just go and see like he was a living museum piece. So I wanted to prepare myself to know more about Ray so that when we met, it could be a good conversation, worthwhile dialogue, he said. Finally, when they met, it was the beginning of a close friendship that lasted for 22 years until Ray's death in 1992. My dear students, here, although I wanted to meet him right away, means he wanted to meet him immediately. As soon as he reached Bengal, he wanted to meet him immediately, but he did not meet him. Why? How many days did he take to meet? Let me clear it. Roberts waited for 9 years before he met. Satyajit Ray. What was he doing all these years? Why don't he meet right away as soon as he reached Bengal? What made him to avoid meeting immediately? What was he doing all these years? Let me explain. Roberts says that he was mustering the confidence. He was mustering up the confidence. He was trying to gain confidence to meet Ray. He says that Satyajit Ray was not a living museum piece so that he could go and meet him easily. Roberts says that Satyajit Ray was not a figure which is installed in a living museum. Roberts says that Satyajit Ray was not a statue which is installed in living museum. Indeed, he was a master of world cinema. He was a living legend. That's why he wanted to know more about, so that's why he waited so many years, because he wants to know more about Satyajit Ray, so that when they met, it could be a worthwhile dialogue, it could be a meaningful dialogue, it could be a worthwhile conversation, it could be a important conversation. Understand, my dear students, why did he wait for so many years? In order to know more about Ray. When they met finally, it was the beginning of a close friendship that lasted for 22 years until Ray's death. How many years their friendship has lasted? 22 years until Ray's death in 1992. He died in the year, Satyajit Ray died in the year 1992. Okay, come. So let us look at next paragraph. it was a quiet, it was a very quiet friendship that developed over years. My dear students, what type of friendship is it? It was a very quiet friendship that lasted, that developed over years. Over years means many years. That lasted or developed many years. Their friendship, quiet friendship, developed many years, over years. Here, quiet means calm friendship, cool friendship, pleasant friendship. Nothing exciting things happens between them. Nothing exciting things happen in their friendship. That's why they have used here quiet friendship. So, quiet, Q-U-I-E-T, and another word Q-U-I-T-E, Q-U-I-E-T, Q-U-I-T. These words are often confusing words. Students get confused of these words. So, let me clear it. Okay. Quiet, quiet versus quiet, Q-U-I-T versus Q-I-T-E. Quiet, what is the meaning of quiet? With little sound or no sound, with little sound or no sound. For example, the children were quiet. The children were quiet. Quiet means calm, with little sound or no sound. This is one quiet. Another one. Let me take a piece of chalk. See, my dear students, quiet versus quiet. Q-U-I-E-T, meaning with little sound or no sound. Example, the children were quiet. The children were quiet in the classroom. Another quiet, Q-U-I-T-E, meaning entirely, totally or fully. She was quite wrong. She was completely wrong. She was entirely wrong. She was totally wrong. She was fully wrong. So, I hope you have understood these two confusing words. In what way we have to use, how do we have to use. Okay? It was a quiet friendship that developed over years. Over years means mean here. What is the meaning? Many years. His friends used to call him. His friends used to call him Manigdha. Whose friends? People who were close to Satyajit Ray. People who were close to Satyajit Ray called him Manigdha affectionately. This Manigdha, Satyajit Ray, was shy person and very discreet about displaying his emotions. What is the meaning of discreet here? What is the meaning of discreet? Discreet means very careful, prudent in action, very careful, prudent in speech. Here, Satyajit Ray was very careful about displaying his emotions. He would not display his emotions. He would not show his emotions to other people. He would not show his emotions to other people. Understand? It was very difficult for outsiders to guess the nature and attitude of Ray. It was difficult for the outsiders to guess the nature and attitude of Ray. Of course, that might made Ray as his massive stature means very big, large. His massive stature, physical and intellectual, might have made others to come across cold, aloof and even intimidating. Understand? His massive stature to the outsiders, to his massive stature means very large, very big. He is a height man, he is a tall man, physically he is a tall man, he is a big man. Physical and intellectual might made to come across as might have made him come across as cold, aloof and even intimidating. His physical, his height, he was a big man. His physical stature might made others as cold, aloof and even intimidating. Cold means he was not understandable person, he was unfriendly, he keeps others distant, he wants others to come near, and even intimidating means his appearance might make others frightened. He is a big man, he is a tall person, no? So others might be frightened of his stature, of his height. All these things, his discreet, his nature, he was very discreet, no? All the shy person, all this might made him like a cold, aloof and intimidating. My dear students, but in reality, he was not like that. He was very simple man, unassuming man, with a subtle sense of humor. My dear students, he was very simple, unassuming man. Unassuming means very simple, very honest, humble, modest. Was very simple man, very honest man, very modest man, with subtle sense of humor. Here, unassuming means, let me explain. He did not want, see, he is a modest man, unassuming man, no? He did not want to talk about himself, he did not want other people to talk about himself, about his abilities. He did not want to talk about his abilities, he did not want other people to talk about his abilities. See, what a humbleness, what an unassuming man. He did not want to talk about his abilities, he did not want to talk, or he did not want other people to talk about his abilities. With subtle sense of humor. Subtle means subtle sense of humor. Here, my dear students, subtle means unnoticeable, means little bit. Sense of humor means ability to create humor, ability to create fun. Does it mean he lacks sense of humor? No, absolutely no. He had little bit sense of humor. But that was observed only by the close friends. That was observed only by his friends and closed ones. To the outsiders might not be able to understand. So, from this we came to know that Satyajit Ray was very simple man, unassuming man with subtle sense of humor. Let us go next line. It was unspoken arrangement between the two of them to meet Sundays at 9 a.m. at Ray's residence on Bishop Lefroy's Road, Kolkata. My dear students, here it was an unassuming, It was an unspoken arrangement between two of them. It was an unspoken arrangement. Unspoken arrangement means not decided by anyone. Not decided by anyone. It just happens naturally. It's a kind of habit. It's a kind of habit developed by Roberts. It was an unspoken arrangement, not decided by anyone. So you have to come this time, you have to go this time. This is not arrangement. It is not decided to go at what time. It is not decided by anyone. It just happened naturally. On Sundays, 9 a.m. at Ray's residence, where Bishop Lefroy Road, Kolkata. Next, Ray would invite Roberts over for private screenings. Ray would invite Roberts over for private screenings of his latest films and welcomed comments on them. See, my dear students, screening. What is the meaning of screening? The act of showing film. The act of showing film or movie or some program in television. Before the release, the technical team and crew will watch the movie before the release, so that if there are any mistakes, they will edit, they will correct that some mistakes in, and they will do edit like that. That is the meaning of screening. So here Ray is inviting Roberts for screening and is welcoming comments from him, Here very important thing, but this happened only after the friendship had cemented. Friendship had cemented means becoming stronger. So my dear students, this is important point to note. But this happened. What happened? Ray inviting Roberts for screening. So why do you think that he has not invited before? What do you think about that? Why he has not invited before? Let me tell. In the early days of their dialogue, Ray's shyness prevented him from talking about his own films. What? Ray's shyness prevented him from talking about his own films. Why did not invite him before? He invited Ray for screening when their friendship had cemented, when their friendship had become stronger, when their friendship had grew stronger. Then he invited him for screening and he welcomed for comments from him. Before that, why did not invite? Means Ray's shyness, Ray's nervousness. Understand? Ray's shyness prevented him from talking about his own films. Understand, my dear students? He was even shy of receiving compliments. See, he was even shy of receiving compliments. He don't like to receive compliments. He was uncomfortable of receiving compliments. He was feeling uncomfortable of receiving compliments. Said Roberts. To Roberts, the greatest mark of Ray's appreciation for him was that he often addressed the French speaking priest in Bengali. My dear students, here to Roberts, the greatest. Again, they have used definite article the. I already have explained earlier the. Why they have used here definite article the means before superlative degrees we have to use definite article the. Great, greater, greatest. Great, greater, greatest. So to Roberts, the greatest mark of Ray's appreciation for him was that he often addressed him in Bengali. So what is the common language between them? What was the common language between them? English. So here Roberts addressed him in Bengali. Roberts addressed Ray in English. English is a universal language, no? Roberts addressed Ray in return, Ray addressed him in Bengali. See here, in spite of lack of my elegance in that language, that language refers to Bengal language. Lack of elegance, means I am not proficient in that language, I don't have command in that language. In spite of lack of my elegance, he addressed him Bengali. So here Roberts thinking that it is the greatest mark of appreciation. Why? What's greatness here? What's the greatness here? Means here Roberts might thought that Ray was not considering me as a foreigner. He is a Bengali man. Roberts might have thought like here Ray is considering him as a Bengali. Ray is not considering Roberts as a foreigner. So this is the greatest mark of appreciation for Roberts. So here Roberts knows English, he doesn't know Bengali language, but Ray know English and Bengali so well. My dear students, hope you have understood. We will meet in next video. Thank you. Take care.